me as days go by. The prayer I pray for Mother, the one I love so bad, and hear the prayer for mothers everywhere. On this day that they're alone, and if your mother is gone, just remember she was yours alone. The prayer I pray for Mother as I kneel down at my bed. Hear the words that I said. Thanks for the angel you gave me alone. I know I'll miss her when she's gone. Oh God, please give her a happy home. She told me I was the God I could depend on. I know you take her place when she's gone. The prayer I pray